Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox launching error, unable to join any games. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and what we want to do first is go into our start menu and type run, and you want to run the run app right here. So you want to click on this, and this dialog right here would appear, and you want to type up data. And after you have typed it correctly, you want to click on OK. And this folder will show up right here, and from here you want to go into local, you want to go here, and from here you want to find the Roblox folder right here, and you want to delete this. And by the way, before you delete this, you want to make sure that you have saved your progress before deleting this, because you might lose some progress when you uninstall or delete your Roblox app right here on your computer. So once you have made sure that you have saved everything, you want to click on delete, and it would be deleted just like that. And now what we want to do is go into our temp folder. Next right here, you want to go into temp, and you want to find the Roblox right here folder, Roblox folder right here, and you want to uninstall this or delete. You want to delete that again, and after that you want to go and close this right here. And now we can proceed to going into our browser and going into roblox.com, and you just simply want to search for any games that you want right here. So let's say this random game right here, and I want to just click here so that the download for Roblox would start. And now it's loading, so click on download and install Roblox, and after you have downloaded this, you want to open it so that you can install your Roblox right here. So you click on open, and from here, as you can see, connecting and installing to Roblox just like that. And as you can see now, Roblox is successfully installed. And after this, you can basically just go and enjoy your Roblox and see if the problem is solved. But after you have done the steps that I have provided and it's still not fixed, then we can proceed here right now into our start menu. And from here, you want to type cmd so that you would see the command prompt right here. So you want to open this, and from here you want to go and type ipconfig /flush DNS, and you want to hit enter. And as you can see, successfully flushed right there. And now you want to close this one, and after that you can see if the problem is fixed. But if not, then you can go and proceed here into your taskbar. You want to right click, and from here you want to go into task manager. And from here, you would see the apps that is currently running in your background right here, because the most common reason why this error is showing up is because Roblox has anti-cheat. So if you have any third-party programs that is connected to Roblox, or you are using in Roblox, such as MSI Afterburner or something like that you are using for gaming, then you might want to end task or end the processes, because that might be the one, or that might be the reason that you are not able to join any games, because Roblox detected it as something of cheat, or Roblox didn't really like it, so it's not letting you join any games or any server. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.